Hi Tubman, it's Mrs. Morell. I'm here today with a new book about Thomas Edison. Let's get started. The title of our text is Edison's Inventions. This is Thomas Edison. Today we're going to read to learn who was Thomas Edison. We will read to learn about Thomas Edison. We will learn what happened when Edison was a child. What was Edison's first invention? Let's look at some vocabulary words to start. The first word is machine. Say machine. This is a machine. A machine is a piece of equipment with moving parts that does work when it is given power from electricity, gasoline, etc. My example is, this is a washing machine. I use it to clean my clothes. Think of a machine that you use in your house. Say a sentence out loud about that machine. Okay. The next word is many. Say many. In this picture, there are many minions. Many means a large number of things or people. Excuse me. Think of how to use many in a sentence. I have many books in my house. Now you say a sentence out loud using many. The next word is quit. Say quit. This person is quitting. Quit means to leave a job, school, career, etc. I'm going to use it in a sentence. You should not quit school because you think about it. You should not quit school because you can learn more information at school. You say a sentence. You should not quit school because. Say it out loud. Next word, message. Say message. Message is information that is sent or given to someone. I could say, I sent my mom a message about what I cooked for dinner. You say a sentence using message. Next word, hear. Hear. To be aware of sound through the ear. I can hear, I can hear birds outside. You say a sentence. using here. Next word, change. That's in the present. Say change, changed. That's in the past. Say changed. Change means to make something different. Here's a person thinking, should they stay the same or should they change? Think of a sentence using change. I want to change. I want to change my haircut. Maybe cut my hair short. Now you say a sentence. I want to change. Okay. You can rewind the video anytime you want to look back at the vocabulary while we read. Today, we're going to read to find out who was Thomas Edison, what happened when Edison was a child. Let's look at the text. Okay. The title is Edison's Inventions. Here's Thomas Edison. As we read over the next few days, we are going to think about what are Thomas Edison's inventions and why are they important. Think about that while we read. Here's our table of contents. Today we will read who was Thomas Edison and early life. Please read this page to yourself. Let's read it together. Who was Thomas Edison? Thomas Edison was an inventor. He lived from 1847 to 1931. He invented many things. We still use some things he invented today. Read this page to yourself. Let's read it together. Early life. Thomas did not go to school much, but he loved to read. He quit school when he was 12. He went to work on trains. Read this page to yourself. Let's read it together. There, he learned to use the telegraph. The telegraph was a machine that sent a message. The message came in long and short beeps. Read this page to yourself. Let's read it together. Thomas did not hear well. He could not always hear the beeps. Thomas did not hear well. He could not always hear the beeps. Beep, 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 beeps. He invented a machine that changed the beeps to letters. Beep, beep, A, beep, 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 B, like that. Thomas was an inventor. Okay, let's look back at our questions. Who was Thomas Edison? Use the text to help you answer that question. I want you to say it out loud, and then after the video, you can write it. Who was Thomas Edison? You can answer by saying, Thomas Edison was. Make sure you say it out loud. Next question. What happened when Edison was a child? Let's look back in the text. You can answer by saying, when Edison was a child, say it out loud. Next question. What was the telegraph? You can answer by saying, the telegraph was. Last question. How did Edison change the telegraph? You can answer by saying, Edison changed the telegraph by. For homework, I want you to write the answers to these questions. You can pause this, look back in the text if you need to. Please write the answers to these questions in a complete sentence. In the next video, we will answer we will answer these questions, and we will continue reading about Thomas Edison. Stay safe, keep reading at home. I miss you. Bye.